Hey guys, I'm Amanda and today I'm going to teach you how to edit videos using EDpuzzle. So first things first, you need to create an account. You need to create a teacher account, not a student account, a teacher account. I already have one, so I'm just going to log in. Alright, so first thing you're going to do after you've logged in is you're going to search. Let's say that I wanted to teach about insects. You're going to type in whatever you want to teach your students about in the search bar, and you have a choice between all of these different video options. I personally like YouTube, so I'm going to go to YouTube. Alright, let's say I want to use this one, or I want to see if I want to use this one. So you're going to just click on it, and you can push play to see whether or not it suits your style, or your teaching method, or whatever the case may be. I like it, so I'm going to click use it. So the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to be brought to this page and you're going to see all these 4 icons up here. The first one is to crop your image. The second one is to do complete voiceover. The third one is to do audio notes throughout the video. And last but not least, you can add questions to your video to check for understanding from your students. Alright, so let's say I want to crop this video to 2 minutes. Alright, let's start there, and let's go all the way down to 2 minutes. Perfect. To see if it's what I like, you're just going to push play. Alright, sure, who doesn't like butterflies flying into the beginning of a screen? You can also just check throughout different spots. It doesn't always have to be from beginning to end. Next, you could do a voiceover. I'm not going to because and this just makes it kind of like the way my video is right now, where you just talk throughout the whole video. In some ways, this could be beneficial depending on what you're teaching, and once again, what your teaching style is. My personal favorite is this one, where you add audio notes. So what you do is there's a little yellow box, and you're going to click it just to create a recording. And then once you're done your recording, you're going to click stop, and you can listen to it. If you don't like it, you can remove it. You can remove all notes that you've made, or you can remove the last note. You can continue to make these at any point throughout the entire video. So, now that we've created audio notes, let's continue. So last but not least, we can add quiz questions. So let's say right here. We're right about here. And I want to say, what insect is this? You type in what insect is this, and then you could type in multiple choices. This is a multiple choice question. You could type in what insect is this for an open-ended question for your students. Or last but not least, you can add tidbits of information, once again, instead of perhaps using voice notes. It's just another way to provide the most information to your students. Once you have all your questions in, you're going to click Save. And then you're going to click Finish. You're also then going to create a class. I already have one, so we're going to go. And once you've created a class, you're going to click Send. At this point, you can create a due date and prevent skipping if you don't want your students to be able to skip through it. So here's where your lessons are going to, or your videos are going to show up. You can watch it as a student, you can add your due date, and you can invite your students. And once you've invited your students, you can see their progress here. It'll show how many students have completed it. You can then go to the gradebook and it'll show each individual student and what they received as a mark on said assignment. And in a nutshell, in the most basic form, that is how you edit a video using EDpuzzle. I hope you use it one day. It's super fabulous, and good luck.